Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a set of tattoos. So check this out. I took it out of the little plastic here just a second ago to see what these all look like. So this is what this one looks like here. We have this tiger here with a rose with a little bit of color. This little lady, this wolf with a rose. Another wolf with a rose right there. And tiger with a clock. Kind of like this tiger with the clock here. Another one. These are similar. Are these the same? I know this one's got something a little bit in front of it. So you can see there's that one there. And then we have this lady here and this one here. So which one should I do? Let's see. I think I'll try this one and I'll stick it right there. How about that? So I think what we do is we peel it off and then we put it on and then we put some water on it. So let's give this a shot. Probably should shave my arm first, but I'm not doing it. And these are supposed to last like a couple of weeks, so this will be interesting. If I put it right there, I guess that's about it. Okay, let's give this thing a try. I'll wet it. I think I'll probably wet it with some water here. I happen to be next to my sink. This will be interesting. My kid's gonna go nuts when he sees me with this thing. Okay. So, I don't know how long it does it for. It didn't really come with instructions. It just came like that. So, let's hope I'm doing it correctly. I've done these little temporary tattoos before, but not ones that fancy like this, and not one so huge. This is a really big one. So we'll see how this works. We'll see if it does it. Let's see, is it doing anything? Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, it has a little bit on there. Let's see. I think I have too much hair, but you get the idea. Oh my gosh. Look at that tattoo. Holy macro. I'm going to show my kid this thing. He's going to go absolutely nuts. Okay, so you saw this video is like 2 minutes long, and I was able to unpack it and put a tattoo on my shoulder. Super cool. Thumbs up.